So if you're looking to purchase a new home, we're going to talk about 5 things you need to do before you buy. Hi, I'm Mike Henson with Kings Mortgage, and I serve all of the Central Valley and Central Coast of California, and I help families just like you invest in real estate by providing lending solutions that take you home. All right, let's talk about the first step. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to order a free annual credit report. Now you can do this at annualcreditreport.com. And we highly recommend that you do this before you purchase. That way you can take a look to see if there's anything on your credit that needs your attention before you start the process. So that would be the first thing you'd want to do. Second thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look for errors and check and see if there's anything you can do about getting those errors removed. This is a great time to take a look and see if there's anything on there that's affecting your FICO score. It's important for your FICO score to be as high as it can be because that helps you in qualifying and also helps your interest rate. Okay, the third thing you're going to want to do is you're going to try to improve upon your score. And you want to take a look and see where your revolving credit accounts are, like your credit cards and things like that. If your credit card balances are over a 30% utilization to your limit, you're giving away some points there to your credit score. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pay your bills down or pay your revolving accounts down to below 30%. That should give you a pretty good boost. In some instances, I've seen it be as much as 50 points to your credit score, and that will help you a lot. So pay your balances down. Don't necessarily need to pay them off, but you want to pay them down. The next thing you're going to want to do is don't close any accounts, okay? Sometimes people come to us and say, well, I have all these open credit cards that I don't use, so I might as well just close them out. That might help me get a loan, or the bank might be more favorable to them. So a lot of times we see that. That's not the case, okay? You don't want to close out any good revolving accounts. That is part of your credit history, and that credit history is what's making up your credit score. And when you close a lot of those open accounts that are in good standing, what you've done is you've closed off all the good stuff that you had that's given you a long-term score. So you don't want to do that. Makes your current debts loom a lot larger. So let's leave those accounts open. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to check your savings. Okay, we talked about it in a previous video. You're going to want to make sure that you've got sufficient down payment available to you. Check out one of my other videos where I talk about down payment sources, but you're going to want to make sure that you have your money in order. Talk to me first. Let's sit down and see where you're at and make a plan for you. Okay, the last step that you're going to want to do is you're going to give me a call and let's schedule a time to sit down and talk about getting your pre-qualification completed. We're going to collect some documentation from you, some asset, some income documentation, and we're going to check to see how much you can be pre-qualified for. We're going to run a credit report, you're going to take an application, and then I will help you assess based on your down payment objectives what it is that you can do as far as how much of a purchase price you can afford. All right, I hope that information was helpful to you. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm Mike Henson from Kings Mortgage, and all my contact information is below. I would love the opportunity to help you invest in real estate. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.